Hello, Karin. Hello, everybody.
Hello, Adrian. Hello, everybody watching.
Karin, today we have a very interesting topic, the trap of pessimistic expectations. What can you tell us about this?
Yeah, the trap of pessimistic expectations. Most people know what they don't want, don't like, and don't have. And that's what they talk about all day. Now, the challenge that many managers have is that they obviously have to hold people accountable. In my opinion, they focus too much on what goes wrong or the lack of certain behaviors rather than desired behaviors. So, an example would be I don't want my team members to be late, or I don't want them to miss deadlines, because this comes from past experiences. So, they speak about this in that language. Now, in simple terms, simply shift the language. I expect my team members to meet the deadlines. I expect them to be on time. This is a very small shift and will have great results because you will always get what you expect.
Wow. So to summarize this, you get what you expect. If you focus on the negatives and on the bad things that can go, that's what you're going to get. If you focus on the positives and what can go right, that's what you're going to get. This was our message for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.